So, you wish you had the power of inverse kinematics. Not a problem. Click the rig and go to edit mode. Drag the elbow a tiny bit back, click the elbow joint and press E to extrude. Then click the wrist joint, E, and middle click straight out. Shift click both of those and press Alt P to remove their parents. Drag the bone away from the body and name it elbow IK.L. Name the other bone hand IK.L. Then click the forearm and go to pose mode. Under constraints pick inverse kinematics, under target pick armature, and under bone pick hand IK.L. Set pole target to armature, and under bone pick elbow IK.L. Under chain length, if you're using double joints, set it to 3. If you're not, set it to 2. And set pole angle to -90. Then click the hand bone, and under constraints add copy rotation. Set target to armature, and bone the hand IK.L. And you're done. If you move the hand IK and your arm is stuck straight or going backwards, it means you didn't drag the elbow far enough back. So if you go back to edit mode and move it back a bit and try again, you'll be good to go. Hope that helps. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.